Okay, now let's talk about the bond pricing. Each bond has a predetermined face value. This is also called as the principal of the bond, which is paid to the holder of the bond at the maturity date. So the theoretical price of a bond can be calculated as the present value of all the cash flows that will be received by the owner of the bond. So you can see a simple example of it. Let's say we have a bond and the payments of this bond, which can be, of course, coupon payments, and at the end it will be the payment of the face value or the principal. And we suppose know the zero rates. So in other words, we know the points on our yield curve, right? So that correspond to these maturities 0.5, 1 year, 1.5, 2, and let's say 3 years, and so on. So if we know these zero rates, we can calculate the present value that will be received by the owner of this bond. So suppose the face value of this 2-year maturity bond is $100, and suppose also the coupon payments are semi-annual with 6% per annum. And suppose you want to calculate the price of the bond using the treasury rates given in the previous table. Okay, so how can we do this? So notice that we have 6% per annum. So we have the face value of the bond is $100, and times you have this 0.06 divided by 2 because we are using the semi-annual. So every 6 months there is a basically $3 payment, $3 payment every 6 months, and at the maturity, which is the 2 years, you have the face value plus the coupon payment here. Okay, and you need to use the discount. Here we are using the continuous compounding, which is okay, and you have this is 0.5 years that you will get the first coupon payment of $3, and you need to use the zero rate from our previous table, which is 4.6% for this given maturity. So this is 4.6%, and then for the 1-year maturity, what's the zero rate? You have 4.9, and you need to write it as 0.049 for the 1-year maturity. And now you get the third coupon payment, 1.5 years, again check back here, which is 5.3%, and this is 0.053, and then let's check the last time for this coupon bond, which is the 2-year maturity, and you get 5.5% as the zero rate, and you write it down, and we don't forget to add the face value of this coupon. So if we calculate this sum, this is the present value, and it's the price of this bond with these given face value, coupon payment, and the given zero rates.